In the latest OptimiDoc cloud release, we introduced a new feature, which is Power BI Export and its template. This option now appears in the reporting section of the cloud portal. For the best experience, simply import the template and the cloud data into the Power BI desktop application. After the import, the data is loaded into 5 basic tables, which we will introduce one by one. In the first Dashboard tab, the basic information about your company for the reporting period you have defined are provided. You can further filter operations based on job type, month, user, printer, or even by the most frequently printed job. You can see that the values in the upper part of the chart adjusts according to the selected filter, which helps you easily and clearly filter the essential information within your company. In the second tab, you can filter costs based on departments or users. Using the charts in the lower section, you can also track your company's trends in terms of job type and the color of printed pages, helping you clearly identify the items with the highest costs. In the third tab, you can filter device utilization by location or individual devices, allowing you to analyze their workload, operations, and associated costs to better understand overall device expenses. The fourth tab is dedicated to print jobs analysis. At the top, you can see basic printing information and charts. Using the charts, you can filter daily costs and total operations. Based on these filters, you can view information about the print jobs and the individual days. The filter can also be used in reverse. For example, you can start with a specific job size and identify the file type and the day it was printed. Based on the filters, the data in the lower part of the table updates automatically with information about print jobs and their basic details, allowing you to easily track printing trends within your company. The last tab focuses on workflow reporting. At the top, you'll find key information and average statistics about your scans. Using the charts, you can filter by input type, the resulting scan data format, and the destination of each scan. When a filter is applied, the table in the lower section updates automatically, displaying individual workflows and departments along with their statistics. And this works the other way around as well. This tab delivers clear and simple overview of your company's entire scanning activity, helping you optimize your workflows based on your needs.